So you are here. Today we will draw leaves. First we will draw basic structure, a horizontal line, then a vertical line in the middle of the horizontal line. Now take a point in both sides of the vertical line in same distance. And take a point on the vertical line for upper leaves and for upper lip, and another point in lower portion for the lower lip. In the middle there will be the opening of the mouth. Here we will draw slightly open mouth. We will mark the light and shade position according to the source of light. Suppose source of light is in the top left side. Now we will apply initial shading with HB pencil. I am using 2B pencil here. We can blend with a soft tissue paper. And again we will apply more dark. The upper lip will cast a shadow on the lower lip, and lower lip will reflect some light on the upper lip's lower portion. Opening of the mouth will be dark. Upper lip shadow will be casted on the teeth also. Now the wrinkles or the textures on the leaves. For that we can consider the leaves as a bangle cylinder. The bangles in the middle of the cylinder, that is in front of our eye, will look like straight vertical line, and two sides will be curved gradually. Wrinkles in the corners of the leaves will bend outward, and the curve will be lesser when it is coming towards the middle portion. corners will be even darker. The textures will reflect some light also. By using eraser we can show that light. I am using a Tombow mono eraser here. Any hard and sharp eraser can be used here. I do not want to blend much, that's why I am using a shovel hair brush to blend a little. Upper leaves will also have wrinkles and textures. Congratulations, we have learned to draw somehow naturalistic leaves here. Please do comment below if you like it or not, or if you have any questions, you can let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.